Time to claim as well as time to earn airdrops, and we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing that you need to know is that the Taiko mainnet is approaching, and theoretically seen from the documents over here is coming on May 26th. So make sure to go and do all of your Galax Taiko quest. I will leave a link down below. Get the points, get the transaction in, go to the testnet, do everything that you have to do, and it is super important to go and complete them before May 26, when the token generation event happens, which potentially the snapshot could be taken only a few days earlier. So by May 20th, have everything done. Next up, a very important update from Hey over here. It's a community built, decentralized and permissionless social app. They have launched their official Zora NFT. As you see over here, make sure to go and grab it. This is a very important NFT. Click over to mint. It costs, as always, nothing, $2 only. Make sure to go and mint it. This a very important NFT. We only look at the important one over here, and I haven't taken you a while because some of them for a while because there was nothing important. But this one tweeted by their official protocol, which is gonna have a meaningful impact in the airdrop of this one. I will leave you the link down below. I just went to mint mine, so go and get yours before it is too late, as it is super important. Following up, we have the first claiming of the video, and this is the ByBit airdrop. So I will leave you the depositor and the bounce club link down below. It depends which one of the two people you are, but I can go and get and claim myself the ByBit. And before we go any further, I do get two ByBit tokens. So either they're worth $1,000 each, which would be great. Otherwise, this airdrop for me is not gonna be that lucrative. But let me know your allocation down in the comments below. And as we see over here, it depends on what you've done, how much you deposited, how much you contributed, of course. You can go over here and add it to MetaMask directly on the ByBit mainnet, which I already have. Simply go and switch to the network and you will have it over here. Once the token will be able to go and claim, you already see it now in your wallet, and then you will be able to go and see also the dollar evaluation of it and how much it is worth. And then there is also the ByBit club, which has another separate airdrop. So let me know how much you've got. But I've got 2 BB, and I gotta say that this is probably the less airdrop I've ever received. If they even sent 50 cents, I would be grateful. But following up, we do get the Notcoin Launchpad over on Binance, as we see here from the official Notcoin page. So as we said in the video yesterday, do not claim, do not click on anything. There is no claiming yet. They only launched their Launchpad, a community token which onboarded users into Web3 over on Binance. And with that, make sure to go and collect it. Make sure to go and wait for it. In 2 days, approximately 2 days, it will go live. And if you want to join the launch put over on Binance, I will leave you the link down below where you can go and earn yourself this token, which incredibly, as of right now, it's actually trading at, I believe, 2 cents or 3 cents at launch price, which could be actually great if I'm not mistaken. And if I am mistaken, correct me. But here it says expecting $1 at launch, which I do not think. I think it is like more towards the 5-10 cent. But let me know if I am mistaken down in the comments below. Next up, we got a Cosmos update on the DMX. To get the DMX airdrop, you need to accumulate points. So another point system has entered the chat, and we can accumulate point by the DMX squad over here. You can join these guys. I will leave you his link because I am not a Cosmos airdrop participant, but I do follow this guy, and I will leave you his link down below if you want to go and support him and enter this airdrop in case you are within the the Cosmos ecosystem for the DMX airdrop. Forgive me, they're a little bit of a tongue twister, but you can earn points by spinning the Wheel of Fortune, and spin the Wheel of Fortune. You can either deposit 500 plus into the perpetual pool or trade 10,000 of volumes in perpetual. These are two of the requests to do it. Another protocol that we haven't talked about a lot in the channel, but it is going to have an airdrop, is the KSA Finance. And why is this important? Well, this is for everybody that owns Binance Coin, BNB, or anything within the Binance ecosystem. This airdrop is for you. As we see over here, I got points. I got 13.8 thousand points. I got referral system. If you want to join, thank you very much. There is a leaderboard. And how do you earn the points? Well, by earning the points is like what we saw on Solana, margin, fi, drift, all of this. Lending and borrowing an asset, Usually what we do, or I'm no financial advisor, but what I tend to do, my strategy, and yet I haven't been liquidated, is to lend my BNB token and borrow something that is the same as a BNB token. In this case, we have the S or the SLIS BNB that goes hand in hand with the BNB token. That was my strategy, never been liquidated. I deposited, I believe it was 5K of BNB token. I only, borrowed approximately 2,000, so keeping it very, very easy. But it is another airdrop in case you do want to qualify for it and in case you do have some BNB token aside from the Cosmos one. Following up, we got a new over here interaction for the Berachain ecosystem over on Galax. I will leave a link down below. And this one are super mint to mint the Zora or the ZNS V3 on the Berachain. Follow, like, quote, visit. Super easy, mint honey, which is still free, still on a testnet, so you are not spending any money doing so. We got the 1 oath as well with the 11 points. So there are a few missions to go and do, which I will leave you link down below. Make sure to not miss them. Following up, we go on to the next airdrop to claim on this video. And we're talking about the Holograph airdrop, which is right here. Now, this is a little bit of a weird airdrop, to say the least. There is the eligibility of the Holograph Foundation over here, which I will leave you link down below, and you can go and accept it depending on your country, or potentially, such terms in the UK Treasury, potentially could be blocked, but you can connect the website, connect the MetaMask, whatever you want to do, connect with the MetaMask extension. Sounds good. You open it up, you simply connect, you go forward. And as you see here, check eligibility, your wallet is not eligible. Let me know if you are eligible down in the comments below. But it is a little bit of a weird airdrop in terms that you have to go and get yourself a KYC from ByBit to be able to go and receive it. So that's a little bit of a weird one. But yeah, it's some people on Twitter are a little bit mad. Let me know if you are, let me know if you are receiving this airdrop. As you see here, people getting banned and kicked out and timeout as well for talking about the KYC. So you need a KYC to earn this airdrop, but it could be a little bit of a weird one. So let me know your thoughts, and of course let me know your airdrop allocation in the comments below. We then have an update on the Crypto Valy exchange as well. Here they have prepared a new quest over on Galax. This time we are looking for the brightness mines in our community, so we can go and start it right now, and I will leave you the link down below, of course, to go and receive it, to go and do it. We got quiz, we got increase the balance, open a long position with any contract, and refer friends. So I will leave a link down in the comments below. We also have a separate and older one, which over here we have already gone and done it. We have already claimed it. Already community members have joined through this one. As we can see here, I can claim already some oats and some point, which is important to go and do. But I will leave you the new one down in the comments below, in the description below, as there are new one and they are important to go and do. As it is important, it is super easy. So increase your balance, which is very, very easy. Quiz, increase your balance, which we've seen it, and you simply need to go on the bottom right corner of the CVEX. Once you open it, it will say increase or decrease. You simply increase it, and you can open a long position. But by clicking over here, it opens up anyway the new page over here, testnet over CVEX. So you will be able to be redirected to their official website simply by utilizing here. And as we see over here, there were two missions. Which one were? By increasing the balance and opening a long position on any contract, which means if you go over here, buy and sell, it is a market buy or the selling buy. You can long or short any of these contracts that you find over here. And I do remind you that this is all on a testnet, so there's nothing to worry about losing money. Simply put on the market, put on buy, click the quantity that you want, put on over here 10 Ethereum, place a buy, so you are long in the Ethereum. In this case, buy means longing. Or the request fail, what do we need to do? We need to go and increase our contract, just like the quest has requested us to do. So we click on over here, we send the transaction, we increase the contract possibilities that we have. And by the way, this is confirmed, fake increase in your test wallet, to remind you that this is all on a testnet. You got nothing to worry about. You can go directly to the Sefolia testnet as well if you wish to go and do it. As we see over here, you're better redirected to your Sefolia. And these are the two missions, simply long and increase the contract of your balance, which you can go and then see that it has happened. You can then answer the quiz of your skills and what is the best. Well, there's 15 quiz over here, so make sure to go and try it out for yourself, but make sure you have the right one. But also we got the Sanctum update, which is announcing our very first community art contest over on the Sanctum protocols. 10 stickers of infinite, each with its own expression, PNG format, ratio 1:1. We got some rules, we got some prices, which are special Sanctum community prices for the 3 best entries, and $800 for the first one, $500 for the second one, $200 for the third one. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.